Okay guys, now we're over at the SLS machines. So this is the Fuse series machines. SLS stands for Selective Laser Sintering. This is a technology I would recommend when we start talking about scalability. So taking your part from a single prototype into more of production, or let's call it maybe pre-production sometimes, right? So your higher volume of parts. So why would we recommend this for high volumes of parts? Well, to put it in simple terms, no support. There are no supports. So the way SLS works is it's an overhead laser in a bed of loose powder. So as your part builds up in the build chamber, it is surrounded by unsintered loose powder, and that supports your part as it builds from bottom to top. So what does that mean? You can build some extremely intricate geometries, lattices, undercuts that you can't build in other technologies. With the FDM, SLA is still going to produce supports that can be difficult to remove, and as well leave marks on your parts or pock marks, whatever technology you're using. So that's the biggest advantage of SLS. So a few other things that you can print on SLS that really add value are going to be interlocking assemblies, organic shapes. We do a lot of print in place for customers, and then high volume, right? So the SLS process, the overhead laser, is extremely fast. So we can print the entire volume in 24 hours. So perfect example. This is a full build volume. This was 293 unique parts that we built in 22 hours inside of the machine. So basically, you see all the different geometries, you see all the different parts inside of this. So what does that mean? You can pack hundreds of parts into this build volume, build them all at once. Build direction is inconsequential.